Take your hat off, let me have a look at it, said the lady in the shop. So there was a lady in the shop. See, she said to Della, just took off her hat and have a look at it. Down rippled the brown cascade. So again, when she pulled down her hair, so it was like a flowing water. Okay, so brown cascade. So her hair color was brown. So it was like a water is moving. It's a wavy. $20, said the woman. So when she have a look of Della's hair, suddenly she said, $20. Give it to me quick, said Della. So she was in hurry. Della wanted to buy present. So that's why she was in hurry and she agreed whatever that lady offered. Give it to me quick, said Della. Now Della went from store to store looking for Jim's present. She found it at last. So now she collected money from the lady and now she is moving from store to store. Why? Because just she wanted to buy something new for her Jim. It was a platinum chain, simple in design but beautiful. So platinum means a precious metal of silver grey color. Okay, so it looks like silver only, but it is costlier than gold. So a precious metal. So she bought a platinum chain, simple in design but beautiful. Of course, it was simple, but it was very beautiful. As soon as she saw it, she decided Jim must have it for his gold watch. So that gold watch I told you already, so it was maintaining from a long ago. So she thought that if I buy this platinum chain, so it would suit for Jim's gold watch. Jim had never liked the old leather strap on his watch. Okay, so that for that gold watch a leather strap was there, but Jim never liked it. So that's why she planned to buy platinum chain. Della got the chain for $21 and hurried home with the remaining 87 cents. Now she had $20 plus $1.87. So she bought that platinum chain for $21 and how much remained? So 87 cents. So she back home with 87 cents. She got out her curling irons and lighted the gas. Within 40 minutes, her head was covered with tiny curls. She stood before the mirror and looked at herself. With her curls, she looked like a naughty boy. Okay, so she bought that watch for $21 and she went off to home. And she got out her curling irons. Curling irons means metal instrument used for curling the hair. So there are metal instruments we use just to straighten our hairs or just to curl our hairs. So she took out the curling irons and within 40 minutes her head was covered with tiny curls. Tiny curls means a small curls. So her head was covered with small curls. She stood before the mirror and looked at herself. So totally she was looking like a boy, okay, with her tiny curls. At 8 o'clock, the coffee was made and the frying pan was ready to cook the chops. So usually she knows that Jim comes home at 8 o'clock only. So at that time she made coffee and frying pan was ready to cook the chops. Chops means thick slice of meat. Jim was never late. Della took the platinum chain in her hand and stood near the door. Soon she heard Jim's steps on the stage below. She turned white in fear and prayed, "Please God, make him think I'm still pretty." Okay, so I told you already, now she is looking like a naughty boy. Now she is praying God, "Please God, make him think that still I am looking pretty." So when she heard the Jim's steps on the stage, so she prayed and the God. The door opened and Jim stepped in. He looked thin and very serious. Poor fellow. He was only 22 and was already burdened with a family. He needed a new overcoat and he was without gloves. Okay. So Della opened the door for Jim. So he stepped in. So he is just 22. Means his old is just 22, but he looked like a very burdened family man. He needed a new overcoat and he was without gloves. So he needed a new overcoat and so he was not wearing any gloves. So totally he was looking like a little aged person. Jim stopped inside the door. His eyes became fixed upon Della. It seemed as if he had turned into a statue. So when he stepped in the home, so suddenly he stopped near the door and his eyes fixed upon Della only. So totally he become like a statue. So he is just staring at Della. Jim darling, she said, don't look at me like that. I had my hair cut off because I couldn't live without giving you a Christmas present. You don't know what a nice gift I have got for you. Now say Merry Christmas. See, here we can understand Della is loving Jim very much. So that's why she is expressing, I couldn't live without giving you a Christmas present. Okay, so I want to give something, so that's why I am giving you. So that for that I sold my hair. So I have got for you a nice gift. So I bought a nice gift for you. So now say Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas means wishing each other. Your hair is gone. So now Jim was in shock and now he opened his mouth. Your hair is gone. Sold and gone. It went for you, boy. Don't you like me just as well? I am me without my hair. Ain't I? So I just see the expression of Della. Sold and gone. It went for you, boy. It means she is telling, I sold my hair just to bring gift for you. Don't you like me just as well? I am me without my hair, ain't I? Don't you like my new get-up? So I am just your Della. So my hair is gone, but I have not changed. So she is trying to convince that poor